Yo, what it do? Big boy RT back in the car with another video. Y'all already know how it goes down. Hot as hell on this Sunday. Y'all already know. But y'all see the engine bay about dirty as hell. I'm about to get this thing good cleaned up. Show y'all how to clean this engine bay under $30. Don't hit up no detailer, none of that shit. Get right yourself. Hit the good AutoZone. But man, y'all stay tuned for this full video. Y'all already know how it go down. Smash the like button. Leave a comment. Subscribe to this bit. You already know. Fuck with the kid. Big boy RT. Yes, sir. But so I went to the, where did I go? I be getting advanced AutoZone, be confused as hell. But I think I went to AutoZone. But I went to AutoZone. Shout out to that nigga GT too. His ass low-key put me on. I watched this video to see what to grab and all of that, cause he did the same thing to his Mustang shit. But I grabbed these detailer brushes. These were like $5. This was like $10. I think I'm supposed to put this on after I like wash it with all the soap. Basically like a, what is it? This shit like basically like a fucking clear coat, I think, or some shit. Yeah, it's supposed to like shine that motherfucker. Good towels to wipe. Got my good homemade soap in the Windex bottle. You know, good couple squirts of soap. Put water in that bit. But we finna get into it. I'm gonna try to set y'all up at a decent place. Oh, and I also got some gloves. You know, cause it's a bit dirty as hell. All type of oil, coolant, motherfucker. I don't even know what else in this bit. Probably tires somehow. But get you some gloves. Put you on some gloves. But I'm gonna try to set y'all up so y'all can see this whole thing. And man, y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. Oh, so yeah, and my battery is in my trunk, but I know this is my fuse box, so I'm gonna probably just, you feel me, take this with a little plastic bag, cover that bitch up. I don't even know, this shit might low-key be stupid, but y'all let me know. I ain't trying to have some shit break after this shit for me. I'm gonna probably just have to like real life hand wash that, you dig, or some shit. Take special care when I wash that side. But I'm trying to figure out what part should I start at. I'm probably gonna start cleaning. I'm gonna just start on one side, then man, I don't know, bro. I'm fried as hell, no cap. But I'm probably just gonna try to do this first side first, get it through all the creases on that bit, and I'm gonna try to set y'all up somewhere over here for y'all to see me going to work. But yeah, we're finna get to this video for real. Yes, sir. I think people be power hosing that shit. No cap. I am not one of those. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna power hose my shit, and my shit gonna be broken. I swear. But you feel me? Good soapy water. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna just do that. Damn, I should have. I'm low key gonna put this bag over this because I don't even know if this could really get wet. I'm gonna have to get a whole new intake and everything. I should have probably took that bitch off, but I'm gonna just be careful when I do that. So I'm just spray this, get this all soapy, and take one of these brushes, just scrub this bit. That bitch already filthy. These brushes low-key not even working that good. What the fuck? It's hot as hell. Shit. Sweating like a motherfucker. Little kids out. Try to clean. GoPro dies as fucking usual. Tried to clean this little side, and it's getting alright, but I still gotta get through like this little section right here. These brushes are really not fucking working. Hopefully they work better on this engine bay and shit. But we gonna get back to it. I'm basically using just spraying water, hitting the spots, because until I get to the engine bay, because I really don't think those brushes are gonna do better work on this. But I'll get back to y'all when I get further. Yeah, sure. And for this, I'm just, you feel me? I'm not going too crazy, you feel me? Like I said, this not gonna be no detailed clean, but it's definitely gonna be 10 times better than how it was before. But so I don't know how the hell. It's like, what's the word? I don't know. You get in here. All right, let me see. Y'all see, like, between this fuel rail, it's dirty as hell. But I literally, you can I'm literally trying to put this brush. That's why I said these brushes bogus as hell. That's why I only got it for like $3 or something. But like, really can't even get through here. It's gonna be a pain. I'm gonna try to, but this is probably not gonna be perfect. Like, between this fuel rail, not gonna be perfect. Y'all could probably do a better job. But cause I'm not gonna disconnect all of this shit, because I don't even know how to like reconnect all that shit. Shit gonna be fucked up, can't even drive the bitch, all type of shit. But we gonna try to do that. I'm gonna get back to y'all, but y'all already know. Intake look nice though, right? Yeah, yeah, nice. Yeah. But y'all already know we finna finish this. It's hot as hell, boy. I'm sweating bullets. Finna come out, shirt wet as hell. Finna get out this bitch, hot as hell. But y'all stay tuned for the full video. Bro, I said this shit like 20 times. It is hot as fuck. But bro, slowly but surely, this is coming together. You feel me? It's probably gonna be like a 2-hour job, maybe 2.5 hours. And like I said, I'm not like, it's still gonna be like it's not gonna be like an A1. Like, it's probably gonna be like still like an 8 out of 10 maybe. But like, it's still gonna be like 10 times better than what it was before. Still gotta hit up some of the sides, some of the parts back there. Still gotta do like some of the hoses in this top part. I gotta do the top of this, but it's coming together, man. But it's nice as hell outside. I'm gonna try to get like maybe some pictures. Y'all see this bitch hidden in the sun, so y'all can see the gold. But like I said, y'all stay tuned. Big Boy RT. Subscribe, like the video. I know this video probably not that exciting, but like I said, it's gonna be more videos coming, more bangers. Gonna be getting into the race scene soon. We still gonna be swinging. All type of videos gonna be dropped. But y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Big Boy RT. Yes, sir. What it do? Hours later, hot as hell. Yeah. Like I said, this is not like no crazy like job, like, but it's definitely slight. Like, y'all look at that video from in the before. Talking about in the before. At the beginning of this video, y'all look at that. Then look at this thing right now. I'm about to pull up to the car wash and get the whole car wash, and I want to show y'all again. But y'all stay tuned. Big Boy RT. Yes, sir. Yo, but besides the fact all it is, because I obviously just opened my hood, I think this bitch looking pretty damn decent. I'm probably gonna hit it again, just do another little light some, make sure I get everything on it. But everything I got in the video, I showed y'all. Now I'm gonna look at the clips and make sure I tell y'all exactly what I got. But I got everything from AutoZone. You can do the same, pretty cheap. Do it at home. Take a couple hours at your discretion or like whenever you want. So it's pretty chill. But definitely recommend doing it for everybody. I know those engine bays get dirty for real. Y'all see this thing? Oh yeah, y'all see that gold smacking right there for real? It was. Oh, word. Yeah, that shit look raw as hell, bro. I need to for real get some wheels. I'm trying to get an apartment right now, so all my funds going to that right now. But I'm telling y'all, once I get situ with that, I told y'all I'm already dropping videos. This is my second week in a row. I say that shit like it's a lot, but I'm telling y'all, we're gonna stay consistent. But it's my second week in a row, so stay with the videos. Slowly but surely gonna have the mods rolling back again. I need some coilovers for this thing to get rid of this gap, especially when I get the new wheels. So definitely be looking for that. But wasn't too crazy of a video, but I appreciate if y'all did stay tuned. Make sure y'all sub to the channel, tune in with your boy. Make sure y'all smash that like button, hit the subscribe, drop a comment, all of that.